right. Welcome back, everyone. So the second part of our Muine trip, we are riding from Phuoc Hai to Muine, Four Oceans Resort. All right, here we go. So with me we have 4 riders now, myself including. So we have Chi, we have Nam, both of them are in front of me, and we have Ngop behind me. So Chi's on Honda XR 150L. Nam is on I think it's a Yamaha 150. I don't know specifically what model it is. And Ngop behind us, he's on Yamaha as well, but an older Yamaha 150 version. So yep. That's us, and we are now heading from Phuoc Hai to Saigon. I mean, not Saigon, Muine. Welcome to some of the good roads to Muine. Oh yeah, here, around here. I think there was a photo which I took right here. There. Just go further a little bit so we get the sand dune behind us. Nah. Oh yeah, here better. Okay. is a perfect place to take photo. Go, go, go! This is the lighthouse. Our resort is still far away, 50 kilometers. Hello. Hi there.
I like it.
Yeah.
I have a GS BMW at my home.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like the Transalp.
Yeah, this is much more affordable to have it in Vietnam.
Yeah,
Honda.
I can't get the license.
Yeah.
I would buy one, I can't get the license.
Beautiful views. Wow, look at the color. Not bad, not bad. Blue and green, yeah. Woohoo! Got some gas. Gonna try the new road. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. It's nice. How long? Let's go. I'm already on. It's a little bit though. It's over. It's over. A little bit though. A little bit here. One more session, and then it's road. Nyung got it as a surprise. She was just jumping. What is this? Airport? Yeah. Turn left. Nova World. Nobody here. Empty world. Yeah, it's Nova Land's property, man. Nova World. It's huge. Welcome to Muine. I got it, dude. It's just 8 kilometer. I think tomorrow morning we can take a photo here. Oh man. That's the perfect spot. Okay. We are in Muine.